The Windsor Port Authority is a key player in promoting economic growth in the Windsor-Essex County region. Established under the Canada Marine Act in 1999, the port operates as one of 17 national ports in Canada, aiming on competition, trade, safety, security, and commercial development. The port has been experiencing growth in shipping activities and is undergoing expansion projects to increase its capacity and handling capabilities for various cargo types. It is also a neighbor to the Gordie Howe Bridge. Like and subscribe. The channel needs your support to continue creating and improving these videos. I thank you in advance for the help. The port generates revenue through leasing properties, cargo fees, and permits. It connects Windsor and Essex County to the global economy due to its strategic location at the heart of the Great Lakes. According to a study released by the port, it contributes notably to the local economy, generating $271 million in economic activity annually. This economic impact includes supporting 2,300 jobs related to the marine and port industry, and $41 million in local purchases of goods and services each year. Port Windsor is aiming to be a leading force in transforming the Windsor-Essex County region into an integrated international transportation hub. It is the third largest port on the Great Lakes and the 10th largest in Canada. Based on my search results, the Windsor Port Authority handles a variety of cargo products including steel and aluminum products, salt, cement, grain, general cargo and machinery, petroleum products, coal, limestone, sand, gravel, and iron ore. The port is working to shift the transportation of goods from trucks to more environmental modes like rail and ships. This will help reduce congestion on highways like Highway 401 and lower emissions. The port is investing in infrastructure to increase capacity and efficiency in handling cargo. The Essex Terminal Railway Company is expanding its cargo terminal at the Port of Windsor. Thanks to a $12.5 million investment from the federal government. This funding will support a $27 million project to turn cargo transport to rail and waterways instead of roads. This includes building a new warehouse, expanding the shore wall, and constructing a new ship berth to facilitate additional shipping to Windsor via the waterway. The port is also playing a crucial role in boosting agricultural exports from southwestern Ontario. ADM Agri-Industries in Windsor is upgrading the grains and oilseeds processing facility at the Port of Windsor. The Canadian government is investing $26.3 million towards the $76 million upgrade. This investment aims to enhance the company's infrastructure, including truck loading capacity, adding new grain dryers, increasing storage capacity, and developing an automated truck kiosk system to expedite traffic flow. The project will boost Port Windsor's export capacity to global markets in Europe, the United States, and Latin America for agricultural production from southwestern Ontario farmers. Additionally, the expansion project will tackle supply chain bottlenecks, facilitate increased tonnage, enhance marine transportation efficiency, and reduce emissions in grain transportation. The investment is the largest federal investment ever in the history of Port Windsor and is expected to have a positive impact on economic growth and global food security. Port Windsor, located in the middle of the Great Lakes Seaway, the largest inland seaway in the world, is a well-kept secret along the Windsor waterfront, even from Windsorites. Over 1,000 people work at the 12 terminals on the Detroit River, including Windsor Salt, shipping 1.5 million tons of salt yearly, AMD Agri-Industry, the largest producer of vegetable oil in the world, Sterling Fuels, the largest marine fuel depot on the Great Lakes, More Terminal, with over 160,000 square feet of warehouse space and direct rail connections to CN, CP, and CSX. Port Windsor plays a key role in Windsor and the Essex County region's waterway and rail transportation network. It's an important link in international trade and complements new infrastructures like the Gordie Howe Bridge and the Herb Gray Parkway. There is a lot happening at the Windsor Port Authority, neighbor to the Gordie Howe Bridge, and an integral part of our city. Did you know about the Port Windsor and all they do? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.